it's very important to fill out your profile as much as possible. So this is a new account that I have here. If I was to look at the landing page for this account, you'll see that it looks pretty bland, so it doesn't inspire a lot of confidence, doesn't inspire a lot of trust. So let's go and enter some of the details here. I'll upload a logo. I'll just click on this button and have one ready. It has to be square, so that's the aspect ratio that we're looking for here. And click done, and I'll upload a cover image as well, which I have handy. So don't worry about the sizes of these. Whenever you upload images, we are going to generate optimized versions of them. So just make sure that the logo is square and the rest should be taken care of by us. If I was to go onto this landing page and to refresh, actually let me go and enter some more details first. I'll copy the biography here and just tells us who we are and what we're doing. And then I'm going to add a few extra links. So I'm going to add the website and the Twitter link just now. I'm also going to add in the location. Now the location is important because it helps us not only give an indication to the student where you are, but also it helps us narrow down the ads that we run for your courses. So I'm going to copy our address. This is the address of our office, and that's pretty much it. Now we can also enter a COVID notice here if we need to. That's going to be displayed on our educator profile page as well as on our courses. And I can add in the terms of service here. And those are going to be showing when someone checks out, there's going to be a checkbox to accept the terms, and they're going to be able to view them in there as well. For now, I'm going to leave them empty. And lastly, on this page, I can also set up my payment details, but there's a separate video and a separate article that covers payments and Stripe and how you can set up your payments through Cademy as well. So that's going to be covered in there. So I'll just save the changes for now. And if I was to view the profile page again, you'll see that it's using my cover, my logo, and my location and my links in here. Hopefully this helps. If not, feel free to reach out through the live chat. Thanks a lot and take care.